this is called magic. We're learning things together. It's magical. Let's talk about prefix. What is a prefix or prefixes? You have something, let's say you got 10 centimeters. Length with 10 centimeters. Quite easy to describe this way. Our problem sometimes is if we didn't have prefixes, which in this case is centimeters, we have to say 10 times 10 to the minus 2 meters all the time. That won't be fun, correct? For example, you've got a line, 3 millimeters. This is a prefix, which actually state 10 to the minus 3 meters. So I can say prefixes like centi and milli actually make things a bit easier to say out. And instead of all this 10 to the power, 10 to the power, you can actually change it into words. So there will be a table of prefixes that you need to remember for this course, from the basics of 10 to the 3, which is your kilo, 10 to the 6, which is your mega, 10 to the 9, which is your giga, and 10 to the 12, which is your tera. When it comes to the other side, which is quite easy to remember, 3, 6, 9, 12, here the same thing, 10 to the minus 3, milli, 10 to the minus 6, micro, 10 to the minus 9, nano, and 10 to the minus 12, pico. Okay? O. When you new to this, sometimes you try to create some systems so you can easily remember this. So you can do that because sometimes there is confusion who is who. But once you remember O, then you know minus is O and R is plus. But be careful because 10 to 3 is here. Others you need to do or remember is there is centi. And then you're ready to go. As we go through different questions, you see that we no longer use describe things like this, we use its prefixes. Okay. So all these are prefixes. What you put, what you fix pre of the units. That means before the units you fix a label, and this label represents this meaning. So, I hope you understand this video. If not, feel free to replay this video to answer what it is by your paper. Just refer back to the paper.